what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Empire. I'm Dennis, and today in front of me I have a 2021 Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Now, not too long ago, when these were first new, we had a regular turbo. It's a beautiful car, and it's really delightful to see another one of these enters in the studio. Last time we just did a ceramic coating on the whole body. This time we're going big, and we're going all out. We're doing paint protection film on not only the front end, but the entire body. Now, what that means is taking patterns that were pre-cut by Jensen and applying it to every body panel on this vehicle. So the goal is to cover every panel and make sure it looks brand new like it is right now for years to come. So stick around, let's get to it. We're gonna start applying panels all across, and I'll give you guys an update and a close-up at the end. Well, so there we have it. We just finished up the paint protection film install on the entire body. It looks great. One important thing to note is the edges. We want to always try to make sure the edges are nice, clean cut, and tucked as much as possible. You don't want to see the film. That's kind of the purpose of the film being that. Another factor to note is dirt and contamination. We don't want to see any dirt under the film, because when you seal the paint protection film over the dirt, it's just kind of trapped there forever. You're going to be stuck with it, and that's obviously not good looking for a $200,000 car like this. So that about wraps it up. I'm ready to show you guys some close-ups of it, and I just want to take one last note. Can we acknowledge these brakes again? I know I did it in the last video, but these brakes are massive. 10 pistons. I think it's like 16.4 inches big. One of the biggest calipers ever. I'm still mind blowing it, but enough of me talking about. Let's get to it. See you guys next time.